Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at the overall market and really just kind of give you some tips that help me stay on the right side of the trend, especially during times of uncertainty, seasonal weakness, and chop. And one of the rules that I have as an active investor is to really kind of be light in terms of my exposure when the market, the SPY here, is under the red line. That's the 50-day moving average. And typically, in this season, you can see back here in September and October, we had a lot of choppiness. And so here we are back in September, October, surprise, surprise, we get choppiness. But what you can find is you make a lot of money during this nice uptrend, and you tend to give it back during the periods of chop. And so what you can do is essentially develop a rule where you say, okay, if the market is below its 50-day moving average, I'm not involved. I'm on the sidelines waiting for clarity. And by doing that, you can sidestep a lot of that give back that a lot of traders have during times of chop and uncertainty. And so I would just recommend, trying to be involved in the market for the nice trend and then just sidestep anything that is below the 50-day moving average. And I have mine colored red, and my saying is, under red, you're dead. And, and that's just because I've had that experience where I've given back a lot of my profits that I've made during the nice uptrend within just a few days of crazy sideways chop. So consider putting the 50-day moving average on your chart and color it red. And then write a little note on your computer that says, under red, you're dead. And then when the market is under the 50-day moving average, you are dead in the water, not doing anything, and waiting for clarity. So I hope that tip is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll catch you next time.